Music festivals are fun as fuck, especially Rolling Loud Miami. And in the nicest way possible, it's probably the most animalistic festival. With these high energy artists performing all day, it's feral, brutal, and exhausting. But for some reason, I keep showing up every year. So today, I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of things you should know before pulling up to Rolling Loud Miami. Hydration and exercise. If you haven't been hydrating yourself with water and working out, then honestly, good luck. Rolling Loud's a workout. You're jumping up and down all day and running from stage to stage. Drink water right now, whether or not you're going to Rolling Loud. If not, then hit me up, cause I got some IV packs for sale. Double socks. This one might sound crazy, but trust me, you and your dogs are gonna thank me for this extra layer of protection. It always rains at Rolling Loud Miami, so just prepare yourself for a little tiny bit of rainfall. Zipper pockets. All I'm saying is that if you're jumping around all day and you don't want your shit snatched, then zipper pockets are the way. Beater shoes. Rolling Loud is the official shoe serial killer. I promise you, how hard you try to keep your shoes clean, it's inevitable that they're gonna get dirty by that crowd. So just pick an old pair of shoes that you don't care about, because you're probably gonna get nasty by the end of the weekend. It's honestly best that you pick a meeting spot with your homies so you don't get lost. There's barely any cell service at Rolling Loud, so pick a spot with your homies if you want to make sure you go home with them. Please wear deodorant. This is not a tip, this is a call for help. It gets hot, sweaty, and musty. The least that everybody can do is wear deodorant and take a shower. I would have said more, but I'm gonna keep my mouth shut for now. Thank you for watching, click subscribe. I'll see you motherfuckers in Miami.